Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and as the title suggests, today it's a soapy vlog. Yes, so I'm gonna share with you how I usually do my homemade soap recipe. Yeah, so these are the things I normally recycle and reuse. Yeah, then for this, we gotta fit in here. Depends on the model you want. Kitaka kadogo, you fit there. So here are my small soap scraps. Yeah, from the old bars. Here zenye zishatumika hizo ndio mabaki. This is the soaps I made previously. Iko karibu kuisha. Iko sawa, and this is the sufuria I normally use. So let's get started. So once you're done collecting these pieces of the old scraps, now you're trying to reform them to a new soap. So once you're done collecting them, you just now pour them down and now piece them into small pieces. Then now you're gonna use your sufuria, add some water and these pieces in there, the small pieces. Yeah, then you're gonna put on it, yeah, for the boiling to take place. Then when you're done, you're gonna fit him now to the tins. Fit them, I mean, to the tins which you prefer. So for instance, I normally use this size, or today I'm also gonna use this big tin so that I can get, yeah, a bigger amount of the soap. And that is it. So let's now get to the kitchen. So I'll be piecing these to small pieces. Yeah, I might not record that, but now you've known how I normally do it. Yeah, so make sure you like, subscribe, share, and yeah, hit that notification button for many more. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much. If you're a new subscriber, keep on watching. Yeah, so let's go to the kitchen.